Good morning to everyone. So in this video we are going to solve the problem without the saddle point. Okay. So using the mixed strategy only we are going to solve the problem. So this is the procedure for 2 cross 2 matrix only. Okay. So now I am considering the matrix 2 cross 2 matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. So the optimum strategy will be S of A and S of B. Okay, so optimum strategy will be for A player A, that is denoted by S of A, A1, A2, P1, P2, and S of B is B1, B2, and Q1, Q2. Okay, so the value of P1 will be, so this is the formula for finding the value of P1. Okay, P1 equal to A22 minus, this is the value of A22, so A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22. We have to add the diagonal wise. So A11 plus A22 minus, and then add the left diagonal. So A12 plus A21. Okay, so this is the value of P1. So we have the relation between P1 and P2 is P1 plus P2 equal to 1. Okay, so from that we can find the value of P2. So P2 is nothing but 1 minus P1. Okay, so similarly the value of Q1 is A22 minus A12, A22 minus A12 divided by, so the denominator will be same, A11 plus A22 minus of A12 plus A21. Okay, so this is the value of Q1. So from that we can find the value of Q1 plus Q2. Sorry, Q2 value. So Q1 plus Q2 equal to 1. So from that we can find the value of Q2. And the value of the game will be V, that is equal to A11 into A22 minus. That is, we have to add the diagonal. We have to multiply the diagonal wise. Okay, so A11 minus, A11 A22 minus A21 A12 divided by, so the denominator will be same for that also, A11 plus A22 minus of A12 plus A21. Okay, so this is the procedure to solve the problem. Okay, so this is the optimum strategy and this is the value of P1, P2. So there is P1, P2 oda values find பண்றதுக்கான formula, and this one is the value of the game. Let's see the first problem. So first problem is, consider a modified form of a matching biased coin game problem. So we have to consider the coin toss in the problems. The coin will be biased. The matching player is paid rupees, this is not 800, this is 8. Paying rupees 8 if the two coins turn the both heads. So ரெண்டுமே ஹெட்டாக வந்தது அப்படின்னா அவர் 8 rupees வந்து கெயின் பண்ணுவார். And the rupees 1 if the coin turn both tail. So both tail இருந்தால் the player will be paid rupees 1. So the non-matching or non-matching player, which one would you choose? So the non-matching player is paid rupees 3 when the two coins do not match. Okay, so this 3 is nothing but penalty amount. Okay, so I missed this line. Okay, so same head இருந்தால் அவர் 8 rupees pay பண்ணுவார், same tail இருந்தால் 1 rupee, and non-matching இருந்துச்சுன்னா he have to pay rupees 3. Okay, so for that we have to find the payoff matrix. Okay, so now I am going to write the payoff matrix. Okay, so if it is both head, so he will be pay rupees 8, and if it is both tail he will be pay rupees 1. Okay, so for non-matching he will be pay minus 3. So that is the penalty amount, so that why it will be in the minus 3, in the form of minus. Okay, so this is our payoff matrix. So the payoff matrix is 8 minus 3 minus 3 1. Okay, so for that we have to find the saddle point. If it is saddle point does not exit, so we have to use the mixed strategy. Okay, so first find the saddle point. 8 minus 3 minus 3 1. Okay, so first we have to find the row minimum and then column maximum. Okay, so for the first row the row minimum will be minus 3. For the second row the row minimum will be minus 3. Okay, so this is the point. I'm going to put it in the star, and the column maximum is, the first column maximum is 8 and second column maximum is 1. So I put it in the plus symbol. Okay, so obviously we can see there is no saddle point. So saddle point it doesn't exit. Saddle point doesn't exit. Okay, so if it is the problem doesn't has a saddle point, we have to use the mixed strategy. Okay, so strategy, it is denoted by S of A. Okay, so S of A and S of B. So what is the S of A? S of A is nothing but a head, tail, or we can denote it by A1, A2. Okay, head, tail, P1, P2, and head, tail, Q1, Q2. Okay, so this is our optimum strategy. Okay, we have to find the value of P1, P2 and Q1, Q2. Okay, so first I am going to find the value of P1. Okay, so P1 equal to, so what is the formula? A22 minus A12. Okay, so this is our A22, this is our A21. Okay, so we get 1 minus 3 divided by next A11. So next the denominator will be A11 plus A22. So this is our A11 and this is our A22. So by 8 plus 1 minus of, so next A12 plus A21. Eight plus 1 minus of, so this is our A12 and this is our A21. Okay, so minus 3 minus 3. So we get the value will be P1 equal to 4 by 9 minus 6 plus 6. So we get 4 by 15. So this is our P1. Okay, so next we have to find the value of P2. P2 is nothing but 1 minus P1. So that is 1 minus 4 by 15. Okay, so that is 11 by 15. Okay, so we are finding the value of P1 and P2. So next we have to find the value of Q1. Okay, so Q1 equal to A22 minus A12. So this is our A22, this is our A12. 1 minus minus 3 divided by, the denominator will be same, so we get 15 here. So Q1 equal to same 4 by 15. Okay, so next we have to find the value of Q2. Q2 equal to 1 minus Q1, so that is 1 minus 4 by 15, so that is 11 by 15. Okay, so next we have to find the value of the game. So value of the game equal to A11 A22. So we have to multiply the diagonal entries and then this one. Okay, so 8 minus 3 into minus 3, so that is nothing but 9 by, so the denominator will be same, so that is 15. Okay, so the value of the game will be, minus 1 by 15. So and then optimum strategy, that is nothing but S of A equal to head, tail. So P1 is 4 by 15 and P2 P2 is 11 by 15. Okay, and S of B equal to head tail. So head tail. So the Q1 value will be 4 by 15 and the Q2 value will be 11 by 15. Okay, so this is our final answer. The value of the game is minus 1 by 15 and optimum strategies are SA and SB. Thank you.